Okay, selamat datang ke SPM Malaysia. Okay, ini adalah part 2 untuk Kertas Percubaan Selangor 2016. Okay, it's a trial paper from Selangor 2016 for section B. Okay, if you want to see section A, you can see the previous video. Okay, so this is a part 2, section B. You need to answer any 4 questions from this section. Okay, kamu kena jawab 4 soalan sahaja. So, but then since we are doing revision, I will answer all the questions, all 5 questions for you. Okay, kita tengok soalan 12A. So 12A, soalan 12 mesti adalah lukis graf. Okay, so I write down first. Okay, here, okay, we are going to fulfill this number. So what you do is, you just find the y when the x is 5. Okay, tekan calculator kamu. When the x is 5, what do you get? Is it 11? Yes, 11. Okay, then another one when x is 5.5. So tekan calculator when x is 5.5. What is your y? $17.5. Okay, so you get 17.5. Okay, so sini saya akan skip table ini sebab kita nak lukis graf. Okay, sebelum lukis graf, tengok skala dulu. Okay, skala dia for x-axis 2 cm 1 unit. For y-axis 2 cm 5 units. Okay, so 1 unit means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1 plus 1. And then 5 units means plus 5. So 0, 5, 10, 15, 20. But before you draw, you must know where is your center. Kamu kena tahu mana center kamu. So how you find your center? Okay, we draw this one for you. First, lakar dulu. Okay, sketch like this. Okay, we see first. Maximum x is 6. Minimum x is 0. Okay, so tak payah lukis negatif untuk x sudah. Then y, maximum is 25. Minimum is -7. Okay, so then you know that, oh, I just need to leave around 2 cm. 2 cm untuk bawah. Then the rest you can leave for the y. Okay, atas punya leave for y. Then x pula semua lukis yang positif, negatif, tak payah. So roughly your paper, graph paper is like this. Okay, macam ni saja. Okay, your center is at the left and bottom. Kiri, bawah sikit. Tapi jangan bawa sampai habis sebab ada negatif 7. Okay, so let's draw our graph paper. Okay, like just now I say we leave around 2 cm. 4 cm. 2 petak. Okay, why 2 petak? 2 cm is 5, right? So we leave 2 means you can draw negative 10. Tapi kita minimum is negative 7. Then sini pasti y pula. Tapi sini saja. Tak payah tinggal banyak untuk negatif bahagian x. Okay, so this one we draw already. Ada sengit sikit. Okay, this is y. And then here is x. Okay, then we label dulu. For x, 2 cm is 1. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Kita lukis ini dulu. Okay, then for part CY, 2 cm, 5 units. So 0, -5, -10. Then atas pula, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Okay, cukup. Okay, roughly like this. Then now I want to see my table already. Put over here. Okay, so first, when x is 0, y is 1. 0, 1. Okay, sini ada 5, 10 petak, 5 kan? So 5 over 10 is 0.5. 1 petak kecil 0.5. So 2 petak 1 lah. Okay, you need to count like this. 5 divided by 10 box. Okay, after that 0.5 and negative 2.5. 0.5 here, negative 5. Okay, negative 0.5 and negative 2.5. 0.5, negative 2, so negative 1, negative 2, negative 2.5. And then 1 and negative 5. 1, negative 5. Okay, and then 2, negative 7. 2, negative 7. So negative 5, negative 6, negative 7. Then 3, negative 5. 3, negative 5. Okay, this turns already. This is a quadratic lah. Okay, after that, 4 and 1. So 4, 1. 2 petak juga. 2 petak kecil. Then 5 and 11. 5, 11. So 10, 11. 2 box. 6, 25. So 6, 25. Okay, so over here. Then what you do? Already label, draw a curved line. Freehand. Okay, normally kan, kalau kamu tak pandai jangan kamu guna ruler. You don't use ruler. Okay, you can draw like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Putus-putus macam ni sambung lah. At least better than you use flexible ruler. Okay, then continue. Okay. Actually sini ada sedikit tak bagus lah. So sini saya nampak ada double. Kalau ada double, mungkin akan kena tolak markah. Okay, if you got double line, and then here got like this, double line here. But my one is not so clear about the double line. Why? Okay, I got one trick is when I draw, I will join 2 point to 2 point. I 1 to 1 point lah. Satu-satu kamu join, baru kamu tidak akan like kamu kena padam ke apa, tak perlu punya. One go you can draw. The key point is like 2, 2, 2 you join together. Okay, so after finish, copy down your equation. Copy down the equation, label on it. Okay, label sini. So the curve is like this, ini curve dia. Okay. So after we finish the curve, the graph already, continue here. Sure, they will ask some question, like, can you find the value of x, find the value of y when x is 3? Okay, cari nilai y apabila x 3. Apabila x 3, kamu carilah. Apabila x 3, kamu kena lukis dotted line sampai sini. And then cari nilai y kamu. So apabila x 3, y negative 5. Okay, so you put on your paper y negative 5. Actually obvious juga lah, sini sudah bagi mah. Then another one, find the value of x when y is 2. Okay, so when y is 2, what is your x? When y is 2. When y is 2. 1, 2. Okay, you need to read. the bottom here. Tapi saya ingat tak berapa tepat dah. I mean like I'm not on the line. So you can say it's around 4.15. My one is 4.15 lah. Sebab dia tengah. Okay, tapi answer is 4.1 plus minus 0.05. Okay, nanti saya tulis. My one is 4.15. The exact answer is 4.1 plus minus 0.05. So means that is between 4.05 to 4.15. Okay, kalau lebih daripada ini range, then tak akan terima sudah. Will not be accepted if you over this range. Okay, then D pula. D. Can you draw a suitable straight line for the graph? Okay, sini macam mana buat? Okay, dia sudah bagi ini equation. This is the original equation. And then this is the one that give you. You need to terbalik. 0 equals. Okay, belakang letak depan. And then here is 2x squared minus 4x minus 11. Okay, what do? You need to minus. Okay, always minus. So first one minus the second one. Y minus 0, y. 2x squared minus 2x squared. No more idea. Then negative 8x minus negative 4x. It will become negative 4x. 1 minus negative 11. It will become 12. Okay, so this is your equation. Then how you draw the equation? On the straight line, on the graph, you need to draw a small petak. So sini tulis x, sini tulis y. Okay, when x is 0 and when x is 2. So when x is 0, what is your y? When x is 0, y is 12. Then when x is 2, negative 8 plus 12. So it's 4. Okay, ini ada juga student tanya, boleh tak saya guna nombor lain? Boleh. Kamu boleh guna nombor apa-apa yang dalam julat ini. You can use any in this range, between 0 to 6. But I won't suggest you to use a big number. Okay, why? Because a big number, maybe the y will be outside from your graph. So in case outside from your graph, normally I choose 0 and 2. Okay, so 0, 12, 2, and 4. Mark on your graph. 0, 12, 2, and 4. So 0, 12, 12, 10, 11, 12 sini. 2 and 4. So when 2, 4. Ini 5. So 4 sinilah. 2 petak di bawah. Then you join the line together. You join the 2 points. And then draw a straight line. Join the 2 points. Draw the straight line. So now you will have one answer. Nampak sini ada satu persilangan. So you need to read the x value. Okay, I zoom in. Oh, saya punya pun bukan tepat-tepat. So tengah-tengah sini 3.123455. 5.5 lah. My answer is 3.55. 3.55. Do we have another answer also? Wait. Teacher macam buat salah ke? Ada cikgu buat salah ke? I count again. No, right. Okay, should be no lah. Should be no. Negative 8 minus negative 4. Negative 4. Oh, okay, so you will only have one answer here. Okay, you only have one answer here. So because why teacher feel weird? Because normally, normally got 2 answer, right? But here only got one answer. We have 3.55. Then I put here 3.55. The answer is 3.55. The X. I think we shouldn't do wrong lah kan. I check again. This one I got type wrong or not? Check again here. Y is equals to 2x squared minus 8x plus 1. So here also y is equals to 2x squared minus 8x plus 1. And then ini equation dia 0 is equals to 2x squared minus 4x minus 11. Okay, betul. Then y is y minus 0, y. 2x squared minus 2x squared, no more already. Negative 8 minus negative 4, negative 4. 1 minus negative 11 is 12. Okay, I think nothing wrong, right? Yeah, nothing wrong. Cikgu tengok pun tak ada silap. If you got see any wrong here, you can tell teacher also. Okay, so we got one answer already. Okay, so next, kita pergi soalan 13. Diagram 13.1 shows a point 2, 5 and a straight line y equals to 4. Okay, sini dia bagi satu straight line sini and then 1 point here. Okay, this is a transformation. Transformation P adalah translasi. Translasi tu negative 2, negative 3. So 2 step to the left, 3 step go down. 2 ke kiri, 3 ke bawah. Transformation Q is a reflection. Pantulan y equals to 4. Can you state the coordinate of the image 2, 5 under Q? Okay, under Q means reflection, pantulan saja for this 2, 5. So, kalau pantulan, senang lah. Sini, pantul pergi sini. Okay, one step from the mirror. So, answer is 2, 3. Okay, how you write your answer? Kamu tulis answer, kamu kena tulis macam ni. Okay, you write like this. Under Q, they will go to 2 and 3, like this. Okay. Next one. Next one is QP. So QP kena under siapa dulu? Kena buat P baru buat Q. Okay, QP. So 2, 5 under P, then under Q. Okay, here under Q. Okay, when you write answer, you write like this. So P is what? P is translasi. 2 step to the left, 3 step go down. 2 step to the left, 3 step go down. So 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. So answer is 0 and 2. 02. So for P punya 02. And then continue. Jangan kamu terus stop. Continue guna ini. Kita nak buat Q pula. Okay, this one saya padamkan. So reflection. Kamu rasa reflection dia pergi mana? So count from the mirror. 1, 2. 2 step from the mirror. Then 1, 2. So answer will be 0, 6. Okay. Pantulan tu macam mirror. Okay, next one. Let's go to next question. Kita tengok soalan yang ke seterusnya. B. Okay, B punya sini ada bagi satu lagi Cartesian. HKLM is the image of ABCDE. HKLM is where? HKLM yang besar punya ini. This is the image. This is the image. And who is the object? The object is ABCDE. Okay, ini object. So maybe you can label lah. Ini object. Ini image. Okay, after that, they say, it's under combination of BU. So you do which one first? Mana satu kamu buat dulu? U dulu, baru B. Mesti belakang dulu. Okay, U then B. So U is what? You think first. How is the object changed to image? Putaran, yes. Number one, ini, okay, this one number one. Number one will change to this one, PQRST, become number two. Putaran. Lepas putaran jadi apa? Macam mana jadi yang besar punya? Pembesaran. Yes, pembesaran. So, putaran kita kena ada beberapa information. Okay, putaran, rotation. So, first, you must mention, is clockwise or anti-clockwise? So, you think this one, they change to here like this, or they change in this, clockwise or anti? Clockwise. Okay, they use clockwise, means like this. So, clockwise is 90 or 180? Is 90. Yes, 90 degree. Okay, ini adalah ikut arah jam. Is clockwise direction. And then it's 90 degree. 90 darjah. Okay, and then one more thing you must tell. Where is the center? Okay, so how you find the center? Kamu kena agak-agak dulu. Okay, since you know is rotate here, means your center is where? Your center is around here, in this area. Okay, so you need to agak dulu. Let me agak dulu. Let's say I say, maybe is it here? This is center. Then you tengok lah. C to the center and C to the R. Is it 90? No, it's bigger than 90. Okay, so what you do is, you need to move the center. So maybe I change the center. I change the center over here. We try lah. Okay, or over here. We try this one first. I tried the wrong one for you. C to here and then R to here. It says that 90 leh. Is it the center here? No. Why no? Panjang tak sama. Kamu kena ingat, ini macam jarum jam. Jarum jam tangan. So, kalau jam tangan, our clock must be same length. Takkan our clock tiba-tiba jadi panjang kan? Our hand cannot be longer when they rotate. So, I've changed again. Maybe I change to... Where you want to change? Do you have any idea? Can I change to here? Then you can think lah. Here to C, here to R. Ini pun bukan 90 leh, kan? So where I should change? Actually, teacher already saw it lah, but I just show you, feel that is wrong. Okay, ini pun salah, bukan 90 degree. Saya nak 90 degree. So how about we put here? We put here. So sini, is it 90? Is it 90 degree here? Yes, okay. After you confirm is this one, you need to test other place. Contoh lah, kita cakap B pula. B akan rotate pergi mana? Do you know the image of B? Mana image B lepas dia putar? B will rotate to Q. Okay, so is it 90? Yes. Then we try again. E pula. E will rotate to T. So is it 90? Yes. Okay, how you check 90? Either you use protractor or you use ruler. Sebab ruler punya corner adalah 90 degree juga. Okay, so we confirm the center already. The center is at this point. What is the reading? 2. 2, 4. 2, 4. Okay, how you write the answer? You can say U is a rotation of 90 degree clockwise at the center, 2, 4. Okay, you just need these few things, then you can make conclusion already. U ialah putaran 90 darjah ikut arah jam pada pusat 24. This one I can delete already. Okay, after you know U already, Then we find about V. V is enlargement lah. Okay, V is an enlargement. So you need to find what? Enlargement, you need to find two things on it. One is a scale factor, one is a center. Okay, kita cari scale factor dulu. QP is 2 box. QP enlarged become JH. 2 box become 4 box. So they times how many? Times 2. Yes, 2 times 2 become 4. Okay, of scale factor 2. Okay, pada faktor skala 2. At the center, right? You need to find the center. Where is the center? You connect. Contoh lah. Q enlarge pergi mana? Q besar pergi J. P besar pergi H. Okay, you need to extend it. Kasih panjangkan dia. So where is the intersection point? The intersection point is the center. Okay, the intersection point is the center. So the center is sini 3, 8. 8, 3. 8, 3. Okay, so V ialah pembesaran pada faktor skala 2 pada pusat 8, 3. Like this. Tak susah banyak. Okay, cuma perlu cari dua benda. Okay, next one. Let's see about the shaded region. So they ask you to calculate the area of the pentagon ABCDE. It's given the shaded region is 105. Pentagon ABCDE, ini adalah actually object punya area kan. So ABCDE sama dengan PQRST ya. And then they give you a shaded region is 105. Okay, label dulu. Sini shaded region is 105. Actually, how you find shaded region? Shaded region means yang besar punya tolak yang kecil punya kan? Okay, so shaded region actually is the area of yang besar punya JKLMH tolak yang kecil punya PQRST. Okay, so kamu kena cari yang besar dan yang kecil lah. Okay, how you find the big one and the small one? You need to find in terms of scale factor. Actually, ada formula punya. K square is equals to area of image over area of object. Okay, you can use this one. Okay, depan pun ada cikgu bagi formula lah. Dalam SPM memang ada bagi punya. Okay, jangan takut. So, kalau nampak transformasi, mesti kamu guna formula ini. If you forget the formula, please refer to the formula list. Mesti ada. Okay, so let's say I say JKLMH is the image, right? Okay, let's say I put here lah. So this one is X minus Y. Okay, the big one I put X, the small one I put Y. So area of image is big X. Area of object is big Y. And then what is the value of K? K itu adalah faktor skala. Faktor skala 2. So 2 square. 2 square equals to X over Y. So you can say X equals to 4Y. X equals to 4Y. Then you just need to do what? Sub in here. So since you know X equals to 4Y, and you know that X minus Y, the big one minus the small one, is equals to 105. So you just sub in. X is 4Y minus Y is equals to 105. So 4Y minus 1Y, 3Y equals to 105. So 1Y is what? Bahagi 3. 105 bahagi 3. 35. Again, what is a Y? Y is the object. Y is the PQRS. So you can say that area of ABCDE is actually 35 cm square. Okay? Nampak macam susah lah. Actually tak susah punya. Cuma kamu kena buat dia punya equation lah. Okay, next we do 14. The data below shows the mass of luggage for a group of 40 tourists to Malaysia. Okay, wait, your friend asked, can we find the area of trapezium? You mean by using this one, is it? You split to this. Can also, but then it means that you need to find one box unit is what? Do you get the same answer also? You use trapezium? I don't think you will get the same answer. Wait, I check first. Oh, you never use it. Okay. How about we use this one? I don't think same lah. Okay, so here is 5 to 9. 9 minus 5 is 4. So sini 4. Sini 2. Dan sini 1 kan? So 1 per 2. Ini kena tambah 4 plus 2. So 1 per 2. 4 plus 2 times 1. Okay, so here you will get what? 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided 2, 3. You get 3. Okay, why we cannot use this one? Because this is not indicate 1 cm or 2 cm. It's not indicate like that. Okay, ini tak maksud dia ini adalah 3 cm square. No, it's just a unit. Ini adalah 3 unit square. So if you want to use this one, can also. But then you need to find the big one also. Maksudnya kamu kena cari yang besar punya juga. I need to times 2, right? Forget. Times 2. Sebab tadi hanya satu trapezium saja. Hanya satu trapezium macam ni. Only this part. So I need to times 2. Jadi 6 units for the object. Lepas tu kamu kena cari lagi yang besar punya. And then kamu kena cari lagi. Satu unit square tu actually sama dengan berapa. Baru kamu boleh darab ini. So it's quite complicated if you use this method. Although it seems like more easy to understand, but it's more complicated lah. Of course, you can try lah. Okay, normally we use K punya. Okay, then we see about 14. Okay, here we need to complete the table first. Okay, wow, this table, I think you should know, right? 20 to 29. So 30 to 39, 40 to 49, 50 to 59, then 60 to 69, 70 to 79, and then 80 to 89. Then midpoint pun 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, 84.5. Okay, then kegerapan kamu kena kira. You need to count first. Okay, I'll count first. Yang dua punya. Okay, highlight the 2 one first. 1, 2, 1, 2. Check again. Okay, 2 saja. Okay, 2 saja. Then 3 punya. Start with 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5. Okay, so here is 5. Then start with 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8. then 5 ingat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Then 6. Start with 6 ingat. Start with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. Okay, 7 and 8. We see 7 first. 1, 2, 3. 3, 7, 2, 8. Okay, 3, 7, 2, 8. Okay, after that, let's see what they want. Normally, they will ask for mean. Okay, normally dia tanya mean. Okay, so yeah, they ask you to estimate the mean. So, estimate the mean. Kita kirakan mean dulu. Mean, you must put like this. Mesti tulis kamu, tulis macam ni. So, midpoint darab kekerapan. 24.5 times 2. And then plus 34.5 times 5. And then plus 44.5 times 8. And then plus 54.5 times 6. And then plus 64.5 times 4. And then 74.5 times 3. 84.5 times 2. Then over by the total frequency. So 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2. Then baru kamu boleh kira. Kirakan yang atas dulu. Okay, kamu kira 24.5 times 2, 34.5 times 5. Okay, thank you. 1555 atas. Then bawah berapa? What is the total frequency? 30. So what is the mean? 51.83. Okay, thank you. So sini kita sudah siap untuk mean. Then next one, sure they will ask us to draw graph. So sini tengok apa graph dia nak bagi. So they ask you to draw a histogram. Okay, histogram. Normally for paksi X saya tak tengok begini lah. Okay, paksi X saya tak tengok. Saya tengok paksi Y sahaja. Kenapa tak tengok paksi X? Sebab paksi X memang dia ikut apa yang kita punya midpoint. You see our midpoint? 24.5, 34.5. Is it between is 10? Yes, right. 10, 10, 10. So actually, dia cakap 2 cm is 10 for paksi X. 2 cm is 10. Itu pun tak payah tengok. Tengok paksi Y, 2 cm is 1 tourist. Okay, so now I will draw here histogram. Okay, so here is midpoint, or you can see what they mean. They mean is it the age? The mass, jisim, the mass. You can say the mass, ataupun kamu boleh tulis midpoint. Okay, then for the paksi Y pula, kekerapan, ataupun bilangan kekerapan pun boleh lah, kekerapan. Frequency. So, kekerapan yang kamu kena label 2 cm 1 unit. So, here is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, then for paksi X pula, kita lukis tengah-tengah sini. Okay, tengah-tengah sini. Because we are using midpoint. Okay, so this one. Here you can draw one thing like this also. But never mind, I don't do that one. because I start from the first part here. 24.5, 34.5, 44.5, 54.5, 64.5, 74.5, and also 84.5. Okay, one more here. Okay, and then they ask you to do what? Label, right? So 2, 5, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay, we do like this. 2, 5, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Check again. 2, 5, 8, 6, 4, 3, 2. Okay. So I draw already, then I just connect a straight line. This straight line saja. Okay, done. So the graph is like this. Make sure you are using a pencil 2B punya, yang tebal dan hitam. Supaya kamu punya cikgu boleh nampak graph kamu. Okay, if not, the teacher cannot see. Or of course, you can shade the graph also lah. Kamu boleh kasih shading. Loretkan. Okay, next one, let's see the question. D pula. Based on the histogram, can you state the number of tourists who has a luggage mass more than 80 kg? Cari bilangan pelancong yang mempunyai bagasi berjisim lebih daripada 80 kg. Okay, although they say based on the histogram, right? You just read directly from your table also can. Okay, dia nak 80 kg punya. More than 80 kg. So more than 80 kg. How many is more than 80 kg? 2. 2 people only. More than 80 kg. So your answer is 2. Tak payah buat apa-apa punya. Just tulis saja. Okay? Okay, then finish already. Let's see next one. Okay, ini pelan. Okay, pelan quite simple, but actually many people cannot get full marks. Okay, why cannot get full marks? Maybe when you draw is not upright. Okay, mungkin kamu lukis tidak tegak punya. So they ask you to draw a full scale to the plan. Plan maksudnya dari atas ke bawah. You need to see from the top to the bottom. Okay, so how you see it? From the top to the bottom, normally I will see directly the last part, which is PQRS. Paling bawah punya, the bottom one. Although they ask you to draw the top, but I will draw directly the bottom. So it's the rectangle. Tetapi kamu nampak tak? Atas punya ada satu line, which is VW. So kalau saya punya matahari, you imagine here got a sunlight. Okay, kalau sini ada matahari, the sunlight actually will have a shadow for the VW at the bottom here. Ada satu shadow line. So the diagram should be like this. Okay, draw upright like this. So your picture should be like this and with the line here. Okay, label for you. You can draw yourself at home. Okay, sini sini adalah jumlah 4 cm. Tapi VX adalah 2 cm. Oh, VX is 2 cm. So center lah. Okay, so maksudnya sini 2 cm. 2 cm here. Here also 2 cm. 2 cm, 2 cm. Then tinggi dia 6 cm. Here is 6 cm. Okay, now, how about label the alphabet? Let's label together. What is the alphabet over here? This one should be U to P. You will see U first, then after that the shadow is P. So it's U/P. Then how about the alphabet here? This is the shadow of V. But bottom we don't have alphabet. So sini tulis V saja. And then ini pula, how about this alphabet? Y and then shadow dia Q. Yes, YQ. Okay, how about this? Ini nampak X. Bawah X, R. The middle one is W only. So the left side you will see is T. T go down is S. So it's T/S. Finish. Okay, so this is the plan diagram for this one. So apabila kamu lukiskan, saya bagi satu tips. The tips is what? Let's say this is your A4 paper. Okay, this let's say this is a A4 paper lah. So you must draw your first line kan. Contoh ini saya padamkan dulu. Okay, you must draw your first line. Make sure your ruler is parallel to the paper first. Okay, mesti kamu punya ruler selari, baru kamu start lukis garisan yang pertama. Then you can start draw the 4 cm. If your first line sengit, okay, let's say lah, kamu sengit-sengit lukis punya, you just cincai, draw like this. I don't care the straight line. Then the whole thing will be sengit. It will be something like this. Semua akan jadi sengit sudah. So your teacher will give you full marks or not? No. Even though your measurement is correct, tapi dia sengit. Macam rhombus lah. Okay, rhombus is a square that is not upright. Okay, next kita tengok ini pula. Okay, here now they cut the area already. They cut one part of the area. Then you see here, sure they will give you the reading. So GQ is 1 cm. GQ 1 cm. Okay, label here is 1 cm. And then IE is 4 cm. I to E here is 4 cm. Then GH is 4 cm. G to H here is 4 cm. Okay, so they ask you to draw from A. Okay, from A. So kalau from A, matahari dekat sini the sunlight is over here. So you will see that the diagram is to the behind, dekat belakang sini. You see the last part lah actually. Okay, so you see the last part, the diagram should be like this. Can see or not? Okay, I think I draw properly dulu. Okay, draw here lah. Of course, you can sketch yourself first, then only you can start drawing. Yeah, that's sedikit sengit. Okay, lepas tu, tetapi sini ada kena lorekkan. So sini saya lorekkan macam ni. Looks like this. Okay, so now I give you the measurement. Okay, the measurement paling panjang sini 4 cm. This is 4 cm. And then sini WX 2 cm. Here is 2 cm. After that, sini tinggi 3 cm. Then ini pula this is IE. IE is 4 cm. So here is 4 cm. Then sini lebar 2 cm. And then ini tinggi yang kecil ini 1 cm. Okay, so the answer is like this. No dotted line because all you can see from A. Semua boleh nampak punya. So tak ada dotted line. And then we need to label the alphabet. Okay, let's see from the top here. Paling atas sini, you will see V, and then you see I, and then you see W. So it's V, I, W. Then how about this one? What you see first? Dekat sini punya. Kamu akan nampak Y, baru nampak X. Okay, how about this one? What you will see here? You will see U. Behind U is what? Behind U is T. So this is U, T. Then the bottom is what? Here you will see P and then S. So it's P/S. Okay, then sini nampak apa? Sini nampak Q dulu. So Q, belakang Q, R. QR. And then this one, you will see G first. After G is H. Then how about this corner? You will see F. Behind F is E. So it's FE. Okay, so the diagram looks nice. Okay, next one, we are going to draw from B, the view from B. Okay, ini saya padamkan. Okay, view from B, now the sunlight is not at A already, the sunlight is at B. So kalau sunlight dekat B sini, everything will be at the behind at where? At here, dekat sini belakangnya. Tapi atas ada yang lebih tinggi kan? The whole thing is actually great, is taller than 3 cm. So actually what you will see a rectangle. Kamu akan nampak satu rectangle. Tetapi UT adalah di bawah punya. So UT I will draw bottom a bit. Why like this? Actually the total height of the building is 5 cm. Jumlah tinggi adalah 5 cm. But UP only 3 cm. Okay, so sini 3 cm saja kan? 3 cm. So here is 2 cm lah. 2 cm height. And then sini G adalah 1 cm daripada bottom. But then this one you can see from B. Kamu akan nampak. So here I will draw 1 cm to here until H. Sampai H and then naik sampai atas. Going up until here. Then now you actually are done already. We just need to label something. Label the alphabet. Okay, since total here is 3 cm kan. So this is 1 cm. I thought 1 cm. So this is 2 cm. Here 2 cm. Then ini GH adalah 4 cm. QR total is 6 cm. Yeah, I think itu saja yang kena label. Then the rest you need to label is the alphabet. Okay, we need to label the alphabet. Okay, let's label the alphabet. What is this one, this corner? From B, mata dekat sini. Dari B, kamu akan nampak V. This is V. Then the middle one here, you will see Y, and then behind is I. Y dulu, baru sampai I. Lastly here, you will see X, behind is W. So it's X/W. Okay, then sini pula, yang belakang punya, yang rendah sikit. What you see? You will see U. U is the lower part. Then U punya pasangan adalah T. So another side here is actually T. Okay, then kita tengok lagi. Okay, sini 1 cm taller is G. Behind G is F. GF. Then how about here? This one you will see H, and then behind is E. Okay, and then at the bottom here, you will see Q and then P. Q/P. Then Q punya pasangan adalah R. Behind R is S. So R/S. Yeah, I think that's only. But to confirm betul ke salah, kamu kirakan alphabet kamu dulu. You need to count total alphabet and then check with the alphabet inside the real model. Baru boleh check betul ke salah. Okay, so this one done already. Then I'm going to show you the last question, which is the Earth. Okay, so the Earth, soalan bumi ini jarang orang guna lah, okay? Jarang orang buat. Tapi ada juga student yang tak pandai transformasi, kamu boleh cuba Earth. But of course, normally even school teacher won't suggest you to do this question kan. But we just make it as a practice lah. Okay, kita buat juga. So P is 0 degree and 70 degree west. And then Q and R is not given. They say Q actually is 2760 nautical miles due north of P. Okay, due north. Maksudnya di atas P. North means atas man. So Q di atas P ya. And then QR is diameter. Okay, QR is diameter. Okay, so dia nak kamu lukis dalam diagram 16. Okay, here they give you already. I think I find for Q dulu. I find for Q dulu. Okay, label dulu. P is 0 degree and 70 degree west. And then Q di atas P. Q di atas P 2760 batu nautica. Nautical miles. QR is diameter. QR is diameter. Okay, diameter. Diameter ada dua jenis. Satu diameter yang pass through center. Then satu diameter tidak pass through center. This is the one that not passing through center. How I know? Because they say diameter of parallel latitude. Yang sama latitude, selarian latitude, they won't pass through center. Okay? So this diameter that are same latitude. Parallel latitude. Okay, so now I find, I will label P first. P. P is 0 degree and then 70 degree west. West means kiri lah. And then 0 is equator. Equator means center over here lah. So I say this is P. Then you can label. Okay, ini adalah 70 west. 70 west. And then this equator. Khatulistiwa. And then we find Q first. Okay, saya guna ini. Q di atas P 2760. So to find Q, you must find PQ in degree. Tukar dia kepada degree. How you divide? How you change? You need to divide by 60. Divide by 60, change to degree. So it's 46 degree. So PQ adalah Q di atas P sebanyak 46 degree. So here is 0 mah. 0 degree. Go up 46. You get your Q. This is your Q. Okay, this is P. Boleh? 46 degree above P is Q. So actually Q is what? Q is 46 degree north and 70 degree west. 24. 24 is for what? 46 kan? 46. Okay, lepas tu saya nak cari R pula. Okay, type wrongly ya. So QR is a diameter. So kalau QR is diameter, you see I think I draw for you like this. Q to R is diameter. So, sini Q, sini R. The total is what? The difference between QR is 180 diameter mah. So 180. Then Q actually is 70 degree west. So kalau saya lukis sini tengah-tengah, ini adalah kosong. Let's say this is 0 degree, Greenwich. Okay, we call it Greenwich. So dari kosong hingga Q, from 0 to the left is 70 degree. 70 ke kiri dapat Q. Then how about 0 to R? Berapa darjah sini? 110. Yes. So 110. So you can say that actually R is 110 degree east. Ke kanan. Okay, and then I draw like this. I draw a parallel latitude first. Okay, sini R. And then I label the longitude. So longitude here is 110 east. Okay, degree. 110 degree east. Okay, done already. Then let's see question B. State the position of points R. Okay, they ask you to state the position of point R. Oh, okay. So just state only. Better you show the working. Better you show the working. How you get 110? 180 minus 70. So you get 110. So coordinate R actually is above 46 degree above. So 46 degree north, utara, 46 degree north, and then 110 degree east, 110 timur. 46 utara, 110 timur. Just state only. Okay, after that, they ask you to do what? C. An aeroplane took off from P. Okay, satu kapal terbang berlepas dari P. And then they flew due north to point Q. Dia naik atas ke Q. And then terbang kepada timur R. Then to the right to R. The average speed is 600 knot. Okay, 600 knot. They ask you, calculate the total distance traveled by the aeroplane. Jumlah jarak. Okay, how to find jumlah jarak in nautical miles? Okay, PQ actually you know already lah. PQ is 2760. No need to find already. What you need to find is QR. Kamu kena cari QR punya jarak. So to find QR we know is 180 degree. 180 darjah. Can we times directly 60? Normally cari batu nautika kita darat 60. We times 60 to find nautical miles. Here we cannot times 60 directly. Why? Because they have a latitude which is 46 degree above the equator. Ingat, kena tengok dia punya latitude. Latitude 46. So you need to cos 46. 180 times 60 cos 46. So you will get here, what you get here? 7502.31 nautical miles. And then PQ tak payah cari ya. PQ is 2760. So the total distance is what? Jumlah jarak, you just plus 7502.31 plus 2760. So it's 10262.31 nautical miles. Okay, jumlah jarak kita sudah dapat. Okay, then they give us speed just now, right? Tadi ada dia bagi speed. Speed is 600 knots. So they ask you to find total time. Jumlah masa. How to find total time? Remember not? Speed actually is equals to distance over time. Okay, so speed is 600. Distance 10262.31. But the time I don't know. Masa saya tak tahu. So darab silang. Time is equals to 10262.31 over 600. Berapa kamu dapat? Pagi 600. 17.1 hours. Okay, then kamu kena check. Dia nak unit apa? what they want. Or they didn't mention. Normally ada cakap punya. If they mention in hour and minutes, you must change the 0.1 to minutes. But they didn't mention, we just leave answer like this. Okay, just leave the answer 17.1 hours. Okay, so paper ini sudah siap. Next time I will give you paper 1 for this paper. Okay, we will do paper 1 next time. So see you next time. Bye-bye.